What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2021 Kia Stinger open and started if the key fob dies. Like I said, I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 21 Stinger in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in this scenario, the vehicle's locked and the key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release here, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now we're going to use this emergency key to remove this cap on the driver's door. And there's a little slot on the underneath side that has a little button in it. What you want to do is push up on that button with the key and then kind of wiggle that cap off there like that. Now we'll use this emergency key to unlock the door. And now's a good time to go ahead and throw the key back in the key fob just so we don't lose it. Now, as soon as we open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to stop the alarm from going off is we're going to get in, press the brake, and then using this part of the key fob, the part by the lock button, what I would call the top, we're going to use the top of the key fob to press the stop-start button. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly, and the alarm's going to be going off. So get in, press the brake. So now let's take a look at how do you get that cap back on the door. So to get this cap back on, what we need to do is start the top of it in first. So it sits on here like this. Where my index finger's on, there's this little tab right here, and that tab fits into place right here. So that's what we want to hook on there first. Hook that on to get it started, and then snap the rest of it down. And then if you push in, I don't know if you could hear it there, but there was a little bit of a click. You'll hear that button kind of pop into place, and that's how you know it's completely on there. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.